Welcome to the official PDF YouTube channel. I'm Chris, and in today's tutorial we're going to learn how to add a date picker to an interactive form, making it easier to organise your activities and commitments. For instance, this March I plan to join 4 different gym classes: cycling, cardio, body pump and combat. To ensure I don't miss any sessions, I've utilised the PDFelement date field feature to create a visually appealing gym schedule form. This simple trick keeps my regular fitness routine well organised and on track. Curious about how you can create a similar form for your needs? Stay tuned and find out more. Now let's go through a step-by-step guide on how to add a date picker to this kind of interactive form. First, let's start by creating a blank PDF. Since I'm planning for a monthly schedule, a horizontal orientation will be more suitable. To change the page orientation, head to the Organize tab and switch to the horizontal style. Next, to add a bit of inspiration, I've chosen this image as the background for my schedule plan. Remember to adjust the image scale so it fits the page properly. I'll also decrease the opacity to around 80% to ensure that the class information stands out more clearly. I will also add a white rectangle to serve as the canvas for presenting the entire class schedule. Then navigate to the Form tab and select the Date field to add it to the form. In the appearance settings, changing the line style can make the field box look more appealing. For the date style, I prefer to display both the month and the year. Now let's switch back to the home view to test this date field. By clicking the calendar icon on the right, we can select a day. However, as this field's format is set only for month and year, regardless of which day I pick from the calendar, the date will display only the corresponding month and year. Next, let's proceed to adding the week level. For this, I'll use text fields. Additionally, I'll change the colour of the field box, the text style, and its alignment. Once the first field box is set, I'll employ the Create Multiple Copies of this field feature to replicate the boxes. We can now enter the names of the weekdays, beginning with Monday and ending with Sunday. Okay, now it's time to add the day boxes. We'll continue using text fields to represent the days of the month. The process remains the same: change the field name and edit both the box and text appearance. To match a standard calendar layout, I will create a grid of 7 columns and 5 rows, which will accommodate all the days of the month. Since this form is for my March exercise schedule, I'll enter the dates under the corresponding weekdays. In March, I've planned 4 types of classes for myself. To streamline the process and avoid repetitive editing, creating a drop-down list for selection is an effective method. Following the steps in the previous file, go to the Form tab, select the drop-down box, and add it under the Day box. Then open the Properties panel to edit the field name and adjust the text font as needed. In the Options section, enter the selections, leave blank spaces for non-scheduled days, and add cycling, cardio, body pump, and body combat. Once this is done, duplicate the drop-down box for all the days. As you can see, it's super convenient to select the class for each day. Finally, to complete the time schedule, we'll add a date field under each drop-down box, following the same process for editing. For the time format, I prefer the 12-hour format without a leading 0 for hours, which also displays minutes and AM/PM indicator. Once that's set, I can duplicate the box for all the days. After switching to the home view, it's then easy to enter the specific times for each class accordingly. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. That's all on how to create a date picker in a PDF form for managing your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I will continue to bring you more videos filled with various tips and tricks to make your work a lot easier. Also, feel free to check out the rest of the videos on our channel for more content just like this. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.